Hey, I'm back. I'm gonna try not to be too boring today. I'm not doing all of this time, and I know you're thinking, why aren't you doing this? You look like trash. You might not be thinking that, I don't know. That's what I'm thinking as I look at myself in the mirror right now. Anyway, I just don't want to bleach all this anymore. I don't want to do anything to this anymore for now, because I have a newborn baby and I just don't have time to touch. Ooh, I had a tangle there. I don't have time to be touching all this up anymore, but I don't feel myself when I don't have colors in my hair. So I just want to play with my bangs like I used to, and that's what I'm gonna do. They look a little janky right now because I didn't style them today, but yeah, I'm just gonna bleach today, and then tomorrow I'll put color, most likely tomorrow. See how things go. But I have X Girl by Good Die Young, and I also have their Riot Orange. X Girl's pink. I used that the last time I dyed my hair, which I only touched up once, and then I was like super pregnant at the time, and I was like, okay, this is where the break of dyeing hair starts, and my hair feels really nice. I just need to do something to it. So I think I want to do mostly orange bangs, maybe with a little pink right here, or we'll see where the creativity flows me towards, but those are the colors I have. Before I get too chatty, let's just start. I'm about to mix my bleach right now. As soon as you mix it, it just starts to process. So as soon as it's mixed, I'm just gonna start applying it. I don't know why I'm feeling myself right now because I look crazy, but I think it's just because I'm excited that I'm pretty much done. Give myself props. I am donezo's until the washing happens. See you in a bit. This is my end result. Just one bleaching with 20 volume, and I'm not mad at all since I'm going for orange and pink when I color it. This is totally fine. If this was all I was planning on doing, I would not be happy and I would go in and do another bleach session, but this is great. I'm happy. I plan on making another video for the color, so I hope to see you then. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.